Welcome to Content Weaver AI. If you run a WordPress site, this tool turns your feeds and drafts into publish-ready blog posts in just minutes. Let's start with step one, which would be to define an RSS feed. Now remember, Content Weaver also comes with other powerful features such as Story Stream and Content Mixer, but those will be in a different video tutorial. So let's just define one simple feed. Let's do a celebrity feed. Let's see, TMZ sounds fine. And paste in their feed. We're going to keep it at 5 articles per feed. You'll see there's a mode, process only. There's also digest only in both. Digest only belongs to the content mixer that I already told you about. Priority also applies to that, and then you can just do it any old tag that just so you can keep track of stuff. Let's keep it active and save the feed. Next, we'll need to choose a voice. Now, Content Weaver comes with multiple built-in styles: professional, casual, witty, even snarky. That means every post can sound like your brand without you writing a word. You can also, at upper levels of your membership tier, create your own voices. But for right now, we're going to just choose Aunt Who's Had Too Much Coffee. And we're going to use the default voice for all content, although again, at higher tiers, you can actually, each author defined in your blog can have its own individual voice. So we'll save those voice settings. Now we'll let it process in the background. We have background processes on our servers that run about every 10 minutes that will process the story. When we come back, we'll show you a celebrity post and how it all handled. As you can see, we have processed a celebrity story for our blog. And if you take a look at it very close, you'll see not only did it write a 500-word story, there's an affiliate link we had predefined already put in place, attribution, there's an image, an auto-generated excerpt, and then of course we integrate with Yoast. And that's Content Weaver. Connect your feeds, choose a voice, and publish better, faster, and revenue ready. Start free today at contentweaverai.com.